Whoop whoop, whoop whoop, it's Woop Woop Wednesday and I have a joke for you. Two guys are taking a walk and they're walking past a temple, a Jewish temple. They hear people and they hear some chanting and then they hear this really strange sound. And the first guy says, "Oh my gosh, I know they're having some kind of high holiday, but what in the world is that noise?" The second one says, "Oh, they're blowing the shofar." "Well," said the first one, "they sure know how to treat their hired help." A shofar is a ram's horn that's blown for special occasions in the service. Upward and onward.